Modern language models can only attend to a fixed window of tokens from training. Feed one along, never-ending chat, and two things break. The memory to cache past tokens explodes, and quality collapses once you pass the trained length. In this video we unpack attention sinks and StreamingLLM, a simple trick from MIT that lets a model stream millions of tokens with no retraining. We will cover the problem, the discovery, how it works, the code, and where it is used. As a model generates, it caches the key and value vectors of every past token so it need not recompute them. That KV cache grows without bound, so long conversation eventually runs out of memory. The obvious fix is a sliding window. Keep only recent tokens and drop the oldest. But researchers found something strange. The moment you evict those very first tokens, the model's perplexity spikes and its output turns to gibberish. Why would dropping a few old, seemingly useless tokens wreck everything? The StreamingLLM team, led by Guangshu and Zhao at MIT, looked at where attention actually goes. After the first couple of layers, a huge share of every token's attention lands on the first few tokens, even though they carry no special meaning. They named this the attention sink. The model quietly leans on it, so deleting it removes something it depends on. So why do these sinks form? It comes down to the softmax. Attention scores at each step must add up to exactly 1. But often a token has nothing important to attend to, and the math still forces it to spend that full budget somewhere. The always visible first tokens become a convenient place to dump the leftover. Think of it as change the model must give back, so it hands it to the token that is always there. That gives us two designs. Plain window attention keeps only recent tokens, constant memory, but by dropping the initial tokens it destroys the sink, and fluency falls apart. StreamingLLM makes one small change: always keep the first few tokens as permanent sinks, and slide a window over the recent tokens on top of them. Same low, constant memory, but the model stays coherent because the sink it relies on never disappears. Concretely, StreamingLLM splits the cache in two. The first 4 tokens are pinned as attention sinks and never evicted. Alongside them sits a rolling window of the most recent tokens. One detail matters: positions are assigned by slot inside the cache, not by their original place in the text, so the model always sees a clean, continuous range. With this, a llama model trained on 4,000 tokens can stream past 4 million with no fine-tuning. Let us make the position trick concrete. Say the cache holds tokens in slots 0 through 6. To decode the next token, StreamingLLM numbers them by cache position 0, 1, 2, not by their raw index in the original document. For rotary embeddings, that means reapplying the rotation to the cached keys. It sounds fiddly, but it is exactly why the model never meets a position it was never trained to handle. The payoff is dramatic. Against a strong baseline that recomputes a sliding window from scratch each step, StreamingLLM runs up to 22 times faster, while holding stable quality across more than 4 million tokens. And it needs 0 retraining. It is purely a change to how the cache is managed at inference. That mix of speed and stability is why it moved so fast from a research paper into production frameworks. Using it is refreshingly simple. Because it is just a KV cache policy, it is folded into mainstream tools. Hugging Face Transformers exposes a sink cache, and NVIDIA Tensor RT-LLM supports it for serving. In practice, you enable a sink or streaming cache, set how many sink tokens to keep, usually 4, and choose your window size. No new model, no new weights. You flip a flag and your existing model can stream indefinitely. The idea is now baked into new models. OpenAI's GPT-OS, released in August 2025, gives every attention head a learned attention sink, a trainable bias added to the softmax denominator. That lets a head attend to almost nothing when it wants, instead of being forced to dump attention onto real tokens. Paired with alternating full and sliding window layers, it makes sink behavior an explicit, learned part of the architecture rather than an accident. Where does this matter? Multi-turn assistants that run for hours without resetting. Streaming transcription and live translation, where tokens never stop arriving. Long-running agents reading over huge logs. And latency-sensitive services that cannot afford to recompute a giant cache on every step. The common thread, unbounded input where you need constant memory and stable quality, not an ever-growing buffer. Let us recap. Softmax forces attention to sum to 1, so models park spare attention on the first tokens. The attention sink. Drop it and fluency collapses. Keep a few sync tokens plus a rolling window and you get StreamingLLM. Endless streaming. Constant memory, no retraining. Newer models like GPT-OSS learn the sync directly. A tiny insight about a normalization constraint turned into millions of tokens of stable output. Follow for more simple AI explainers.